What's up, everybody? My name is Dr. Kevin Mercado, and this is your exercise of the day. Dips. Now, in order to perform dips correctly, there's a few steps we have to cover. Now, the first step to cover in helping you understand how to perform dips correctly is hand placement. The left hand will rest on the bench next to the left leg. The right hand will rest on the bench next to the right leg. Now, hand placement from an aerial view should look like this. Now, where step one is hand placement, step two is feet placement. So before we move to step three, our feet placement have to be extended out from the bench. Now, step three is where we bring our hips entirely off the bench so our lower body is hovering over the ground. Once our lower body is hovering over the ground off the bench, we will then move our knees to full extension. Once we have assumed this position, we can now begin our descent toward the ground. Now, as we begin our descent toward the ground, we want to ensure that our low back is as close as possible to the bench without rubbing our low back against the bench as we lower our body to the ground. So as we begin our descent, we want to ensure that our elbows are at a 90-degree angle before we begin to ascend back up toward starting position. So performing a dip properly should look like this. And that completes my video demonstration on how to perform dips, your exercise of the day.